Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. You're quite close to me because I carry you in my heart. I was actually going to do my brows off camera, which I usually do, and then I thought, hey, wait, I actually filmed a new updated brow routine, but my husband deleted that. Like, not on purpose. So I thought, you know what, maybe we can do another brow routine. So you guys get to see how I do my brows. So these are my brows. I've been trying to grow them out since, I don't know, since a few years. And this is all the hair I've got. I did a kind of like a microblade thing, tattoo thing 3 or 4 years ago. And if I don't put foundation on my brows, you can still see some discoloration, especially in the front, which I personally, it looks horrible because it looks quite like reddish, like pinkish. So I like to correct that with some foundation or, I don't know, concealer, stuff like that. And what I like to do is I like to comb everything with this spoolie from Benefit. Okay, so going to brush the hairs upwards. Then I take my Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 4 from Benefit Cosmetics. So I like to start underneath my brows and I like to kind of like draw a line that I really like. It's not really with an arch, but it's not really like straight either. It's kind of like in between. But you do whatever you like. So let's start right here. And I'm not pressing really hard because 4 is quite a dark color. Here I don't like to press at all. I'm just bringing it a little bit more in. So like that. So actually I'm just following this line and I'm going to make my brows a little longer. Like that. Now I like to go in with my dip brow from Anastasia Beverly Hills in taupe. Depends on what mood I am, because now I'm going to do a kind of like a soft defined brow, but if I want my brow to be really like out there, I like to go in with my dip brow, or I like to fill them in with a pencil and then just go in with a brow gel. So I'm just going in with my Zoeva Spice of Life brow line pencil and I'm dipping it into the taupe powder and I'm just going to fill it in. And this is such a beautiful color. It's really soft. It doesn't look like super unnatural. So kind of like that. And then I like to define the outer part a little bit more. So like right there with my pencil. Going back into the brow powder again. Just going to try to soften the lines a little. Now I like to take my concealer. This is the Fenty concealer in 190, but I just take any concealer I want. I take a flat brush and then I like to like clean up the edges. Even though I didn't make a huge mistake, I still feel like it looks so much cleaner with this. So kind of like that. That looks pretty good to me. And then I like to go in with 2 brow gels. I know it sounds like a lot, but this 24-hour brow setter from Benefit Cosmetics is such a good brow gel. It really keeps your hairs up all day long. But I do like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel in Caramel because I really like the shade. And it kind of gives your brows, it sounds weird, but a tiny bit of shine. Actually, like really good healthy hair is a little shiny. So yeah, I use the Caramel as well. But first we go in with the Ready Set Brow. Now I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. You see, that made it look so much lighter, especially at the front. And I also feel like that makes it look a little bit more natural when the front is a little lighter than the, the outer part of the brow. I know it looks quite harsh right now because I don't have like eye makeup or lashes on, but I'm going to finish off the makeup, obviously in front of the camera, in another tutorial. And then I'll be right back to show you the end result so you can really see how it looks like with makeup on. So I'm back with quite a lot of makeup on my face, but don't judge because I recorded a tutorial for YouTube, which is this Valentine's look It's quite colorful, but I do like it. But now we can really see that my brows, they don't look very harsh anymore because, you know, we have lashes going on. Even though, you know, with a nude lip, they still look kind of like softer, and I do feel like they match my hair. And yeah, that is pretty much what I do with my brows. I personally really love bushy, full, natural looking brows, but unfortunately, I don't have that much hair to, you know, do something like that with this. And I also have a very weird muscle thing going on here. My husband always says that if I'm angry, this goes like 1, 2, 1, 2. So if I do that, then you know I'm angry. Anyways, I hope you guys liked my new updated brow routine video. If you have any recommendations for another video, please leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and follow me on my other social channels, or do at least one of those, and I'll be more than happy. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!